What is 3DS encryption and how does DES work? 3DS is an encryption cipher that was derived from the original data encryption standard. Although it will be deprecated in 2023, it's still implemented in some situations. Since it based on one of the first widely published and studied algorithms, DES, it's still important to learn about what 3DS is and how it works. What is 3DS? Although it's officially known as a triple data encryption algorithm, it is most commonly referred to as 3DS. This is because a 3DS algorithm uses the data encryption standards cipher 3 times to encrypt its data. DES is a symmetric key algorithm based on a Feistel network. As a symmetric key cipher, it uses the same key for both the encryption and decryption processes. The Feistel network makes both of these processes almost exactly the same, which results in an algorithm that is more efficient to implement. The origins of DES encryption. In the 70s, the National Bureau of Standards (NBS), it has since been renamed NIST, was searching for an algorithm that it could use as standard for encrypting sensitive yet unclassified government information. The NBS accepted proposals for a standard that would fit its requirements, but none of the candidates from the original round were appropriate. It invited more submissions, and at the same time, it sent through an algorithm that its team developed. The submission was derived from the Lucifer cipher that Horst Feistel designed. In DES, the first step of deriving a round's keys is to permute the key, move it around according table. In permutation, each bit of our original key is shuffled to a new position as indicated by the table. Since the cell in the top left corner of C says 57, the first number of our permuted key will be the number in the 57th position of our old block. The second cell says 49, which means that the second digit of our new key will be the number that is in the 49th position of our old block. The third cell says 41, so we look for the digit at the 41st position. You may be worried that we are making up some of the numbers in this guide, but the reality is that it doesn't really matter. No one encrypts data manually anymore. It's all done via programs. The most critical aspects of this tutorial is that you get a clear idea of the concepts that we are dealing with. The numbers themselves just serve to help you visualize what is going on.